Well, I finally got all the joinery kind of semi-close on both breadboard ends and the aprons, and got it in and got it flipped over. Had to flip it over one piece at a time and put it together. I'm not sure how I'm going to get this sucker on top of the pedestal. It is a beast, but it's pretty close. I got a few joints that I need to pull together yet for gluing and making sure that it's tight, but all in all, like along here on the apron, you can see the I can pull that together. I did it with clamps once already, and it does pull together, so it's seamless, but it's going to need some bigger clamps than what I've got, especially over the long haul of the thing. But all of my through mortises and tenons turned out pretty good. Haven't wedged them yet, but other than that, it's looking pretty good. This seam down this apron will pull together okay. I got to make the piece for the middle yet that pops in and out for a block and to saw up against and stuff like that. But it is a handful right now, let me tell you. But right there is why we're going to put the vise in along through here. So it'll be probably about 3 feet or so, maybe 32, 33 inches across the face of that. And then I got to pick that thing up and set it down on top of my pedestal, and I can mark kind of where those legs come up, and I can then route out it to sit on top there and lock it in. But anyhow, some good progress. Didn't get to work on it for the last few days because, you know, the guys were here and in and out of the garage all the time and doing the windows and everything. But that's a handful right there. I'm not sure that 2 guys are going to be able to manage it. I'm probably going to have to sneak it over there on sawhorses and get it close and then wiggle it up on top there. But anyhow, hope things are going well there. Hope you're getting those beans out and not having any issues, and be able to get to that corn before too long before any more crap happens with it. But that's the report from Noddy's Workshop here on Sunday evening. Hope you're all well. Talk to you soon. Noddy out.